Assalamu alaikum. We are just starting Juniper security courses. This is the associate program. If I see the certification overview, just for because this is the past class, that's why I just show the certification journey with the Juniper. That category will be security learning Juniper certification. Juniper certification. This is the Juniper certification. Multiple track is here. We just choose security track and the associate level certification, JNCIA-Sec. This course will be discussed with you. Okay, so JNCIA-Sec, they have long syllabus. The syllabus is already discussed here. So I will share the separate syllabus that was collected from Juniper Learning Portal. That will be better for continuing the course. Topic one, that means chapter one, this course introduction, and second chapter will be Juniper connected security. That will be focuses a different attack vector and what will be the design and what will be the solution and security challenges. Okay, so I will just make PPT, PowerPoint presentation for better understanding, and you can take these resources for future study. I already shared this PowerPoint slide in my group. Okay, so before starting the PowerPoint slide, first we want to go the lab, which will be the home lab for practice in your PC. Okay, so this is the very simple lab. One SRX device is connected one switch, and this is the admin PC. You can take Windows or Linux. I take here Linux PC. That means I use here Red Hat 8. You can take this one from me, no issue. This SRX next generation firewall. This two interface is connected. One interface is 0 by 0 that is connected with LAN, and another one interface is FXP0. This interface is called the management interface. In Juniper devices, FX0 interface is called the management interface. Okay. If I just purchase the SRX and just for initial configuration, I have to access the management port. You can configure the initial configuration through the CLI, or you can configure this device using the JOL. That is graphical user interface. Juniper call this GUI is JOL, Juniper Web. Okay, so for JOF or CLI accessibility, I connect the FXP0 with the management PC. Management PC will be on Windows PC or Linux PC. Just need one browser, nothing else. Okay, just connectivity, need the connectivity, and another one is need one browser. It may be Google Chrome or it may be Firefox. Okay. I choose here management interface is network is 1.0/24. Just I access the BSRXNG. This is the CLI window. Okay, enter. So this is the very little font size, just bigger the font size. ISO 12, the font size. It's okay. Are you seeing clearly the font?
Yes, we can see clearly.
Okay. So this is very simple configuration. Just place the management interface. Just place the one IP and accessing from PCI key. So edit interface FXP0, then show. In unit 0, just place the IP address 192.168.1.1/24, and in PC I set the IP address 1.10. So just you can access through the VNC. Just click and open Ultra VNC. That is you can use. Okay. So and they have some limitations. Window size is fixed. You cannot change the window size. So for that reason, I use here real VNC. Okay. You can also use this management. If you use real VNC, just set here the IP and the port number of that PC in EVNG, and set the name, then connect. Okay, that's good. This is very easy. So
How do you get the port
just
number?
mhm.
How do you find the port number for the PC?
There's just cursor on management PC, then left bottom corner,
Okay.
BNC colon IP colon, then port number 32772. Got
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
Okay. And this PC I also shared with after the class. This Linux PC, the user is user and password is test123. Then close the PC, close the browser, close the window. Just go to activities, then command prompt. You can get the Linux command prompt to check the IP connectivity. Before this, you have to set the IP. Okay. Then network portion, what connected interface, what setting. Then go to connected interface setting. Then set the manual IP. Here 192.168.1.10, subnet mask is /24, and gateway is 1.1. 1.1 is configured in router management interface FXP0. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Then just apply the configuration. Then okay, then close. Then check the connectivity for the ping the gateway IP address. Gateway IP address is 192.168.1.1. You can choose any network. You can choose 192.168.2.1 or 3.1. Any you can choose, no issue. Then gateway, we can reach the gateway. Then go to browser. Firefox is default in Linux. So just maximize this one. Then place the IP 192.168.1.1. This is the graphical window. Graphical window for SRX, VSRX. Okay. So before this, I have to set the root user password. Okay. Root user password. So go to the CLI and set the root user password. Default user is root, and root user password will be set root set system root authentication, plain text password, and password. You can choose any password. I choose here root 123, root 123, then commit. Configuration committed, then check the browser. User is root and password is root 123. Root 123. Then login. Set. You see the JWeb interface. Okay. This is the initial. Just I maximize this one to clear view. Just show JWeb interface, and this is the portion: dashboard, monitor, device administration, network, security policies and objects, and security services. Thus, every portion we discuss based on our syllabus. Okay. This is the graphical window. Maximum user choose the graphical window to configure the SRX devices and other security devices like Fortinet, Palo Alto, or Cisco ASA. Okay. You can also.
Will you show the all configuration with GUI mode or CLI? We will show all configuration with GUI mode or CLI.
Maximum configuration through the GUI or JWeb, or I can use some configuration in CLI.
Okay.
Maximum configuration will be GUI.
Okay.
That means graphical.
You don't want to say, Bilal, don't say maximum, say most. Maximum is incorrect English. Say most configuration.
Most, right, most.
Yeah, okay. No,
most, right, most. Okay. But you can choose CLI. No issue. Okay. You can also choose CLI configuration sample and others you will get from online or Juniper official website. You can go with CLI, but graphical is more easy. True, it's true.
Bilal,
okay.
Quick question, yeah. What about security director? Would you be going through security director, or is that a possibility in our labs?
Device, this is a lab device, okay?
Yeah, and do you have access, like while you're doing the labs, would you eventually be able to, can we install security director and do the configuration? You know, real life, like in networks, we tend to use the director.
We have some difficulties to connect the Juniper cloud. That will be challenged in our lab, but I will show the steps. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Normally, environment they use security director. They like most places they disable JWeb. They don't use JWeb out in the.
And another one is you have to consider. This is the another one is license management. Okay. This box is for only 90 days. Okay.
Yeah.
Just check in. Starting date is today and ending February 9. So if you make a lab, you have to consider 90 days. 90 days, this lab will work perfectly. After 90 days, it will not work. So create lab, configure your device, backup the configuration in your desktop, store this every day. So if lab is not working, remove the device, take the new one and restore your configuration and work again. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I will go just some theoretical part. Just introduction.
Sir, please tell us again the restore systems.
Tell
us again the restore system.
Oh, register system. This in EVNG lab device. So this device have only 90 days license evaluation period. Okay. After
Okay.
90 days, this license will not work. This license will be expired. Some configuration will not work if license expired. Okay. That's why you just back up the configuration, store in your desktop. If this lab device configuration expired or 90 days covered, just take new device, you will get additional 90 days.
Okay, we'll get
Okay.
a new device, then restore backup, right?
Yeah, then restore backup, right? Exactly.
Uh,
If I take new device, I will get another 90 days for checking.
okay,
90
Sanjay.
days.
Got it?
90 days means 3 months. So it's a lot,
3 months.
enough time for
3
us.
months. 3 months. Yes, 3 months. But Fortinet will Fortinet give only 15 days.
Right. Only 2x.
Only 15. Only 15 days. The 90 days is enough, I think. Okay. But careful about this. That's it. Okay. And then just introduction. It's mostly the theoretical part. I just go through shortly. If you have any question, just ask me, stop me, and then ask your question. No issue. Okay. This is the sample, the course overview or course outline, will be discussed in our entire course. Okay. So this is the first security course from Juniper devices. Juniper produce multiple devices like that will produce routing device, switching device, and other SD-WAN devices. Also security devices. Security devices is called the SRX. So SRX have 3 platform. You can purchase hardware that will be installed in your respective environment, and another one will be VSRX. Another one is CSRX, container based and VM based. Okay, so if you have a cloud infrastructure, you can implement a VSRX on your data center or cloud environment, or container based SRX also you can use if you need lower resources, lower requirement, you can use SRX. Okay, so this is the entire configuration. This configuration have the basic configuration and some security objectives and policies, site-to-site VPN, net, and other basic configuration. Okay. So which audience will be joined for this course? This is the very introductory level course. Those have knowledge equivalent to CCNA. Those have knowledge equivalent to CCNA, they can join. Okay. So this is the associate level course. This the very basic or very small introduction of Juniper security. That means associate level certification course. So I guess module 2. Juniper connected security. This chapter will focus on security challenges. What will be the design? What will be in the solution? The 3 step they will cover. This mostly the theoretical part, but we will discuss later chapter in lab. Okay. So dealing with cybercrime. So the cybercrime is increasing day by day, and our volume of traffic is increasing also day by day. And internet incoming device also increasing. So, you know, the IoT device is already introduced. So IoT device have no built-in security. But you use server, you use laptop PC that have endpoint. You can use the endpoint security, but there is no option in IoT devices. So cybercrime is because this increasing day by day, because it have some financial interest, also financial interest, and another one is just researching or taking the benefit from others like this. Okay. Threat climate continues to expand. You see the approximate results from different organization. Okay, networks are ever evolving. So network is where like different security facts and not fear. See the security facts. So just it's a data collect from different research or different organization that is collected in 2019. So databases export 4.1 billion records in 2009. Ransomware variants 187K. So attackers that will increasing day by day. Malware have different variants, and we will get DDoS attack. These have different variants, volumetric, PPS, different category. It's maybe volumetric, it's maybe DNS abnormality attack or like this. So security investment nowadays, some financial organization and other organization investing in respect to security to secure their network, secure their data, secure their resources. Okay, because if any security leakage, most of the transaction will happen in online. So they have data, they have information from one point to another point. So if you use the financial deals, just connect the internet, you can present in anywhere in the world, but you have to available that resources. You have to put access of that resources. So accessibility or availability will be 100%, but security will impose 100%. Otherwise, we'll in trouble. So specialized security is not enough, like intrusion prevention, that means IPS, endpoint protection, that means maybe antivirus, advanced threat prevention, like ARTP that will connect through the cloud. So this is the some specialized security thought that is implemented in firewall actually. So evolving malware or malicious software is any malicious program or code that is harmful to system. It is our targeting endpoint is maximum case. Its server is it's maybe your PC or it's maybe your laptop. Okay, but it's coming through the internet. It's phishing. You know, the phishing is just a fraudulent practice of sending emails, just email containing some URL. This URL some hidden request or go to the respective server and leak your personal data or information. So if you use the email system, you will get I think regularly. Threat sophistication, advanced persistent threat, like best practice to find a APT is to watch for any irritation in the action for normal users. So if I consider in advanced, highly skilled group, you need the skill group. They know handle your security products. It's maybe it's maybe in respect to network. It maybe is in respect to your endpoint. It's maybe in respect to your perimeter. Okay. Nation state cooperation could still be a simple attack. So in we have to consider security in my production. For this, you need skilled people. You need multiple security devices to protect your network, protect your data, protect your endpoint. So every point you have to consider. Every point you have to consider if you secure your data. Okay. This is just a simple question answer. You will see. I'll share this slide. Let's see this one. Network security design. So, how to design your network to secure your data, secure your network. So this is a very traditional approach. I consider here two zones. One is trust zone and another is untrust zone. Trust zone is likely it's a LAN in my organization, and untrust zone is it's a WAN, wide area network. That's maybe it's connect with a different upstream or different service provider. Okay. But here, just provide the network security, not consider the endpoint security. Okay, not consider endpoint security. Just consider the network security. But we need now also endpoint security. So defense in depth, or if we just consider in deeply, we have to implement security in every level. The level will be, this is the perimeter security. Perimeter security means your perimeter will be your connected router, which is connected to customer, which is connected to upstream. That will be perimeter. You have data center. Data center have some server. So server, you have to secure that server. So in that case, perimeter will be data center. Okay. Network security, I already discussed the network security. Endpoint security that will be applied in your end device. That may be server, that may be your PC. Application security, if you use the application must be secured, or data security. If every portion you have to consider the security. So add additional security layers behind the perimeter. Each layer is meant to catch what the previous did not. Means perimeter security didn't catch the malware. So next level, network security detect. If not detect, then goes to endpoint security. There are multiple level. If one level failed, another level will be coming, then checking the security risk. If get any malware, any unwanted packet, then that packet will be dropped. So this is called the defense in depth. So here, a perimeter like one is layer is meant to catch what the previous did not. Fundamentally is still the same. Untrust to trust security paradigm mutually correlate information and threat is. You can. The perimeter is now amorphous. That means
Yeah, Bilal.
yeah,
It's not. It's perimeter. Don't say perimeter. Say perimeter.
perimeter.
No, perimeter.
Perimeter.
Perimeter. You pronounce it like there's a
Perimeter.
U. Yeah, but pronounce it there's a U. It's not. Don't say PE. Say PU. Perimeter.
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 Perimeter. Yeah, perimeter.
Perimeter. Yeah. Perimeter.
Okay.
Not peri.
Perimeter.
Perimeter, yeah?
Perimeter.
Yeah, perimeter. Perimeter.
Okay. Just see the tuple. You see here, hybrid cloud is connected. Your local cloud is here. That means private cloud. That may be your data center. That it will be remote cloud. That it's showing the hybrid cloud, and you have some branches or remote user that will be connected through the VPN using the internet. So every point is perimeter. Okay, every point is perimeter. So you have to implement security on all that point. Okay. Okay, then trends in service delivery. Just it's showing the three different premises or three different network architecture. Number one is on premises, number two is public cloud based, and another one is hybrid cloud. If I consider the on premises, service delivery is very easy. Infrastructure managed by on-site or one administrative control, every device is running. It's mostly monolithic architecture, predominantly physical and some hardware presence. So we can consider some, I have one data center or cloud that will be private cloud. And our all user communicating through the cloud. And if some user getting the internet, just go to the service provider and taking the internet service. Okay. If I think the public cloud based, so your some applications is hosted in public cloud. Your user is connected in your LAN. This LAN user getting access the public cloud hosted service through the internet. So if you consider the security of that public cloud application services, you can consider or you can take the security services from the public cloud organization that will be software as a service, or you can take this as a platform as a service. Okay. And if you consider the hybrid cloud is the combination of on premises and public cloud based. Okay. So here is just how to deliver the application or how to deliver the services to the customers. If you use on premises infrastructure, if you use public cloud based infrastructure or hybrid cloud infrastructure. Shift to cloud driven security. So nowadays, if you consider today, your box centric, you just purchase a SRX firewall, deploy in your data center or deploy in your premises, then getting just config after deployment, you just get the secure connection or secure connectivity or just a network security. You just apply the network security for your end user or your local user. This is the box centric today, but tomorrow cloud or DevOps centric. That will be cloud or DevOps centric. Centralized services, your all services is centralized. You have maybe one ASQ or two ASQ, that means headquarter. So you have maybe some branches. All branches is connected with headquarter. That means all connectivity is centralized, then goes to the internet. So that will be tomorrow, that will be changes. That will be maybe distributed services. You have different data center in different places. Okay, few data center now, but you have multiple data center in future. You can see Facebook, you can see the Google. They have multiple data center in the world. not centralized service, decentralized service. They use the decentralized service. Okay. So if we consider the decentralized service, you have to consider cloud-driven security, how to deploy this, how to manage this. Okay. So Juniper, another security component is SaaS, Secure Access Service Edge. This is not a single application or hardware stack. It is an architectural paradigm or securing modern networks. In SaaS, there will be multiple product to secure your network. Okay. SaaS provides secure assessment to user based on the current risk they present, enforcing appropriate security policy wherever the user connects. So, SaaS being security to the cloud where most applications lie, improving latency by reducing the need to backhaul traffic to an on-premises security device. This SaaS provide just secure your network, protecting the malware, protecting just implementing anti-DDoS, protecting the DDoS attack. So any others unwanted attack which is maybe coming through the internet in your premises, that all will be maintained by the SaaS. That's why this is called this is not a single application or hardware. Okay. So access your security posture, MITRE attack framework. This is just one single framework that will show the tactics and techniques, the why of the attack and how of the attack. Why and how. We know this, it's maybe some have financial interest, some have just researching the activities. Is it working or not? Or like this. Okay. This is the MITRE attack metric, and they have their website, and you can go you can go the website, and you can get the details from that website. Okay. These are just question answers. I skipped this one. Juniper network security focus. So Juniper network strategy is just show this one. To secure the network, they consider automated one solution, cloud-ready data center, AI-driven enterprise. So they implement 3 points in network infrastructure to provide the seamless and secure internet connectivity to access the apps or application or services. Automated one solutions, cloud-ready data center, and AI-driven enterprise. They already implement AI in their wireless device. Okay. If I consider, if I just divide our network infrastructure, that will be cloud provider, that will be service provider, that will be enterprise. So different segment have different solution. If you running the enterprise network, you just design your network and propose the security solution which will for perfect for you. You just running enterprise, you need AI driven enterprise, you need automated one solutions. So if you have no data center, so you not need cloud ready data center, this solution. Okay. So this is the connectivity, this is the thread, actually thread. This is your network or infrastructure. User just user is connected with the network. It's maybe coming in user or end device through the infrastructure. Just consider secure the edge. different step. Just consider the different step. Just you run the business. It's maybe financial organization. Just I take example, financial organization. This organization have their data center, and data center have some applications, and they have some edge that will be connect with the service provider or internet service provider, and this portion is the service provider infrastructure. Okay, if the some attack that may be ransomware, that may be malware or phishing, if this attack happened or in our network, it's maybe DDoS attack. Okay, so these are the attack vector. If this attack happened, so you have to take action to secure your network. Okay, Juniper connected security in action. So this is the consideration or principle to focus when implementing secure network. If you consider secure network, you have to consider this point: stronger security posture, automate security, comprehensive visibility, multi-cloud ready, and open platform. Your resource or application will be available 24/7. You have to secure your application or services 24/7. Zero trust data center. Zero trust data center means they consider every point you have to consider, you have to secure every point. It's maybe data center connected with server. Just see the diagram. One management and orchestration. Just one this inter-DC connected, or it's maybe public cloud. It's maybe branch office or something like this. Every point, just public cloud, there is a security device. Their data center, DC1, different data center, they implement the SRX device, one data center to another data center. If some application will communicate, that will be through the security device. So every packet will be inspected. Every packet will be inspected. If getting unwanted, that will be take some action. It can take action in any layer. It may be network layer, it may be endpoint security layer. Okay, if you consider the zero trust data center, and this is the use case. So if you consider DC1 gateway,
Bilal, when you said intra DC, it doesn't mean between two DCs. Intra DC means within the DC. It means
within the DC,
traffic,
yes.
within the DC. So this is saying here that all the endpoint devices, every time they communicate within the DC, they need to also be checked and verified and secured.
You consider this just one financial organization. They have one DC is located one location, and another DC is location the separate location.
Yeah, that'll be inter DC. That'll be inter. But you pointed towards intra. Intra means
if also consider intra DC in a data center. If you consider in a data center, maybe a different application is hosted on your data center. If one application can just getting access the another application, that have to be through the security device. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Bilal.
Okay. Okay. So just consider the different infrastructure. It may be data center, one gateway, or it may be cloud or DC interconnect. It may be intra-DC, which I discussed now, and public cloud. So features and capability. If you consider DC1 gateway, which will be the features and which will be the capabilities? Secure connectivity. Connectivity must be secure. Express path, power mode, sec intel, and DDoS prevention. In respect to WAN, you have to consider this DDoS prevention. Okay. If I just after crossing the WAN, just connecting the cloud or data center interconnect. If I consider the data center interconnect, you have to make sure the features VXLAN, EVPN, FATCore or PMI. This is the different technology actually, different technology. But I will not discuss this technology in details. Just telling the name. Okay, Express Path Multi-Cloud Orchestration, MX Intel, and intra-DC. You have micro-segmentation, service chaining, app gateway, RASP, IAST, service mesh, and mobile edge compute. If I consider the public cloud, you have to provide the features and capability will be transit gateway, micro-segmentation, app gateway, service mesh, and cloud ASSL. If I provide these features and capabilities, we have to have the products SRX 4600 or SRX 5K, Juniper volumetric DDoS, app security or IDP, second tail ETI, and DNS security. This product must be available on that secure this DC1 gateway. If you consider the cloud or DC interconnect, you have to consider this product. In inter-DC, this product, and for public cloud, we have to consider this product to secure the entire connection. So if I just in different location, we put the different solution, we choose the different product to secure entire connection. So Juniper in mobile carriers, if I consider the telecommunication of telecom operator, that will be this is a very simple network architecture considering telecom operator. Okay. Here is Juniper DDoS solution. Juniper plus Oreo, both joint. Okay, jointly they making a solution to protect the DDoS to protect the DDoS attack. Okay, just how it works. See the diagram. Cyber criminals. This is the IoT botnets. Cyber criminals, and this is the real user coming through the internet. This your edge router, just legitimate traffic. That means this is the real traffic is coming, and this is the malicious traffic is coming. This one device is connected to Oreo Smart Wall TDD. That means this is connected with anti-DDoS protection. This malicious traffic will be and legitimate traffic. Both traffic will be checked. If getting the malicious traffic, just throw the bucket. Malicious traffic through the bucket, and real-time traffic goes the real user. This is the simple diagram to protect DDoS attack. Okay, with Juniper MX and Corridor device. Both are working jointly. So Juniper MX deployed at network edge. This is the network edge. Monitoring ingress traffic through sample mirror. Who will monitor the traffic? This system is monitoring traffic. sample mirror of ingress ports. Mirror samples and streaming telemetry are forwarded to Corrido Smart World Time Division Duplex. And this is the continuous monitoring. This is only the monitoring. And second part is real-time detection. Corrido TDD inspects every packet in the feeds from Juniper MX routers. TDD automatically detects a high volume of distributed denial of service attacks within seconds. So this is the detection part. This is the monitoring part. This is the detection part. And lastly, the mitigation part or protection part. TDD automatically generates firewall filters and configures MX through network configuration protocol, that means netcon, to block DDoS packets. TDD delivers comprehensive visibility before, during, and after any attack. So this is the very smart and expensive solution which provides the Juniper. Really good. So Juniper at the edge. Okay. So Juniper also provide the cloud solution if just purchase one SRX device. So if you implement this device without Juniper Cloud, if you just take license from your box, this license will cover some known attack. If new variant is coming, some ransomware have new variant, some DDoS have new variant is coming, you not detect if you're not connected with the Juniper Cloud. If you connect with Juniper Cloud, you will get update. Okay. If any new variant detected in the world, you will get update. If this attack is coming in your network, that will be blocked through the cloud. This is the fantastic solution, I guess, which provide the Juniper. This is called the Security Director Cloud. Also incorporate the capabilities of Security Director to manage policies existing SRX series firewalls and BSRX firewall instances. Juniper Network says experience. So this is for SD1 purpose, and this is Juniper Secure Edge. This is for S purpose. For S purpose, application control you have to implement identity and access control, intrusion prevention, anti-malware, threat intelligence, secure web access. You have to consider DDoS also here. Juniper Secure Edge. You mention here Edge. You have to consider DDoS protection also. You mention here one. If this one is connecting for one head office to branch office, no need DDoS protection. If this one is connected with the public internet, you have to consider the DDoS protection here. Okay. So Juniper connected portfolio security applications, just a single window to show the all security features, intrusion detection and prevention, app secure, advanced threat protection, all their security product or security features. This is the question answer session. You just see. So this is the session has finished. Juniper connected security. So I will show now. I will go now lab. So I use here EVNG. Just I see the total lab design. Number one. SCP. I will share all the images. for lab. Okay, you need just 3 images. One is VSRX NG, another one is Linux, and this is Cisco switch. Okay, just share. I use your EPNG. Just this image. SRX, I use your SRX. This the next generation. The version is 21.3R1, and PC is Red Hat Linux. These 3 images. Okay. After class, I will share these 3 images. You will make your home lab like my lab, and I will show the next class some configuration related to our syllabus, or based on outline. That maybe in next class I will discuss module 3 Juniper SRX overview. Okay, in Juniper SRX overview, I will show some initial configuration task. Okay, that may be some percentage will be in CLI, or we can go fully in graphical, no issue. Okay. So after you getting the images, just set the simple configuration here. Just in SRX device, edit interface FXP0, just set the one single IP address here, just single IP address here, and this PC set IP address in same network, and accessing the J-Wave interface in SRX device. Okay, you will get this one because default J-Wave configuration is already configured in default SSIs and J-Wave configuration in built-in. So I think there is no challenges to access the J-Wave through the FXP0, that means management interface. Okay. So any question?
No questions so far.
Okay. So thanks for today's class. Hopefully, next class have some theory, but after that class, we'll do more lab, and theory will be little. Okay. Today is first class. That's why theoretical concept is more than lab. Okay, so I stop.